Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Please like and subscribe my channel and hit bell icon for latest updates. In this video, I am going to write a program to perform addition, subtraction, multiplication and division according to user's choice using switch case statement for given data. So the program is started with two header files, stdio.h, conio.h, which consist of different functions like clear screen, printf, scanf, etc. Then a, b, c and choice, four variables are taken and which are declared as integer because a and b, these two variables are needed to take two numbers from user, and the result of addition, subtraction, multiplication or division is stored in C. That means to store the result, this third variable C variable is needed. Then choice, to perform different operations, this choice variable is required. Then to take two numbers from user, this message is displayed on the output screen by using printf function. Then the user will enter two values and that values are stored in A and B by using scanf function, and here the type specifier is %d because A, B, C and choice, these are integers. Then some messages are printed on the output screen so that the user will come to know at which number which operation is given. That means at number 1 addition operation is given, number 2 subtraction, number 3 multiplication, and if user will enter 4 then this will perform division operation, right? For that these messages are displayed on the output screen by using printf function. Then to take the choice from the user, this printf and scanf function is used. Okay, by using this, the choice entered by user is stored in this variable, choice variable. Okay, after that, if the user has entered 1, then the choice is 1, that means it will go to control will go to case number 1 and it will perform addition operation C is equal to A plus B. Okay, and after performing the operation it will display the result of the addition. For that this printf function is used and it will display the result, right? If the choice is 2, that means it will perform subtraction operation and then the result of subtraction is displayed by using this function printf. Then if the choice is 3, that means it will perform multiplication operation. If the choice is 4, that means it will perform division operation, and if this choice is not from 1 to 4, that means except 1 to 4, then it will go to default case, right? So the default case is what? It will print invalid choice because the choice is not from given cases, correct, right? Then get ch and close the curly bracket, correct. Then alt F9, then to run the program press Ctrl plus F9. So enter two numbers, suppose 4, first number is 4, second number is 2. Okay, so menu is displayed on the screen. First is addition, second is subtraction, third is multiplication, fourth is division. So enter your choice. If we enter 1, then it will perform addition operation. So the result of addition is 6 because 4 plus 2 is 6. Suppose again same number and 4. Suppose choice is 4, then you can see the result of division is 2. Right? Thank you.